Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will start our next exercise of our second chapter. 2b. Here some questions are given, means we have to do multiplication, simplification, and after that some statement sum is there. So first we will solve the simple problems, means we will multiply the given numbers, then we will discuss here some word problems. Okay, so question number 1, what is that? That is find the product, means few numbers are given to you, you have to find out the product. I have taken here two parts, third part. Okay, so question number 1, third part, what is that? That is 4 upon 9 into 15 upon 16. We have to find out here product. Okay, so in the product, first we check whether the numerator and denominators are cutting or not. Okay, if they are cutting, we will cut that. Otherwise, we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So here, 4 1s are 4 4s are. Okay, this is 3 3s are 3 5s are. Now what is left? 1 into 5 upon 3 into 4. So what is that? 5 1s are, and this is 12. So this is our answer. Okay, now that is your 12th part. Okay, so that is 5 whole 5 upon 6 into 1 whole 5 upon 7. First we will convert this into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 plus 5 35. So it will be 35 upon 6 into 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12 upon 7. Now we will check whether the numerator and denominator are cutting. Yes, 6 1s are and 6 2s are. 7 1s are 7 5s are. So what is left here? 5 into 2 and 1 into 1. So here will be 10. Now question number 2. We have to simplify this. We have to simplify this. In the simplification, there are 3 numbers are given and that are in mixed fraction. First we will convert that into question number 2. This is the 5th part. Statement is 2 whole 2 upon 70 into 7 whole 2 upon 9 into 1 whole 33 upon 52 upon 52. This is given to us. Okay, so first this is the mixed fraction. We will convert this into improper. So 17 2s are 34, 34 plus 2, 36 upon 70. Okay, into 9 7s are 63, 63 and 2 65 upon 9 into. Now 52 1s are 52 plus 33. So here will be 5 and 8, 85 upon 52. Denominator will be same. We will just multiply this whole number and the denominator, and we will add the numerator. That will be our new numerator, and denominator will be as it is. So now they all are in multiplication. Okay, so same method that we are using with the when 2 numbers are given, here 3 numbers are given. So we will, if they are cutting on any table, we will cut that, otherwise we will multiply that. Okay, first we will check from here. Here is 36. They are not cutting. Yes, they are cutting. 9 1s are 9 4s are. Okay, next here is 4 and this is 52. This is 52. So 4 1s are 4, then 1 will be, and 4 3s are 12. Okay, now 13 1s are and 13 5s are 65. Okay, now 17 1s are and 17 5s are 85. Okay, now what is left here? Here is 1 1, here is 5 1 5. Okay, so 1 5 and 5, 5 5s are 25. What is denominator? 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. That means our answer is 25. Okay, now question number 3, find this of this. Okay, so in the question number 3, this is your 7th part. Question number 3, what we have to find out? We have to find out 4 upon 9 of 54 meter. Okay, Of means multiply. Of means multiply. So 4 upon 9 multiply. What is this? 54. So 54 meters. So our answer will be in the meters. 9 6 yes. So what is left here? You can put here if you want to put here. Okay. So 6 4 24. 24 meter. 24 meters. Okay, this is our answer. Now question number third. Question number third. This is 12th part. Here is 9 upon 20 of a meter. A meter means 1 meter. A meter means 1 meter. We have to find out 9/20 of a meter. When here is given 1 meter, so it will be better. It will be better if it will be better for you if you will convert this into centimeter. Means meter is given, we will convert this in centimeter. Then they will cut. Okay, then they will cut. So what we will do here? We will write here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 upon 20 into 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 21 25 what we will get here? 9 5 45 centimeter. So this is our answer. Okay. Now this is the 12th and this is 14th part. Here we have to find out 3/7 of a week. We know that in the 1 week there is 7 days. In 1 week there is 7 days. So we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So here will be 3 upon 7. Of means multiply. 1 week means 7 days. Now 7 to 7. Here will be 1. So that means 3 days. This is our answer. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 4 and 5 are statement sum that are very easy. In that you have to just do multiplication. Okay. In all the sums in all the word problems here you have to multiply because they have given for the one and they have asked for the many. Okay. If the cost or anything for the one thing is given means एक के लिए given है and you have to find out that same thing for the many, so you will do their multiplication because that will be more. Okay. So question number 6. A car covers a certain distance at a uniform speed of this kilometer per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. कार की स्पीड आपको गिवन है 66 whole 2 upon 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर. How much distance will it cover in 9 hours? Okay. Distance covered by car is given. Car is given that is 66 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. Okay. So you will write here in the question number 6. Distance covered by a car in 1 hour is equal to 66 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. Convert this into improper. Okay. So first you will multiply these and then you will add 2 in that. So 3 6 are 18. It will be added this and 2. 3 18 and 2. 18 and 2. You will get here 20. Okay. You can check again. When you will multiply this, you will get 6 3 are 18. 6 3 are 18. 119. When you will add 2, so you will get 200. So 200 upon 3. Okay. 200 upon 3. So this is kilometer. This is the distance covered by a car in 1 hour. But we have to find out distance covered in 9 hours. Okay. So we will write here distance covered by a car in 9 hours. That will be more. So what we will do here? we will multiply distance covered in 1 hour into 9. 3 3s are. So what we will get here? 600 kilometer. This is our answer. Now the question number 11. Now the question number 11. What is that? Question number 11. In the question number 11, it is given Amit weight 35 kg. Okay, weight of Amit is given 35. His sister Kavita's weight is 3/5 of the Amit's weight. Okay, how much does Kavita's weight? We have to find out Kavita's weight because the Kavita's weight is related with the weight of her brother. Okay, so first we will write the Amit's weight here. This is question number 11. Amit's weight. What is that? What is Amit's weight? That is 35 kg. Okay, so what will be the Kavita's weight? Kavita's weight is 3/5 of Amit's weight. What is that? 3/5 of Amit's weight. Okay, so what we will do here? Kavita's weight is equal to 3/5 of means multiply. What is Amit's weight? 35. So here we 3/5 into 35. You will cut this at the 7s are. So Kavita's weight is 21 kg. Kavita's weight is 21 kg. Okay. Now the question number 14. Each side of a square filled is this. Square filled is given. Okay. We know that in a square all sides are equal. So one side is given. Now question number 14. Each side of a square filled is 4 whole 2/3 meter. Find its area. So side of a square is given. Okay. We know that in a square all sides are equal. So one is given 4 whole 2/3 meter. Okay. So we will write here side of a square is 4 whole 2/3 meter. So what will be the area? Area is equal to side into side. Yes. And what is this side? This is 4 whole 2/3. We will convert this into improper. It will be 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14/9. Sorry, 14/3 into 14/3. Okay. We know that the area of anything is always in square unit. So this will be in square meter. So 14 into 14 is 196. 3 into 3 is 9 square meter. If you want to convert this into mixed fraction, you can do that. Okay, how you will do? Just divide this 9 2s are 18. 1 will be there, then 16, then 9 1s are. Okay, and there will be 7/9 square meter. Okay. Thank you class. Remaining you will do by your own. Okay.